Hi everyone, this is Leonis at Onshape with today's tech tip. In Onshape, you can work with assemblies more efficiently with make connectors. When defining a component's relative position in an assembly tab, you can first create an explicit make connector at its origin instead of three plans. Turning on the offset option, the fasten make behaves like a distant make. This is especially useful when you want to place components relative to their origin. If you just want to quickly place components into positions, insert the checkerboard style layout sketch and mate it. Make connector points will display on the sketch entities when creating a fasten mate. Or you can use sketch points dimension to the origin too. This allows you to relocate the component with great flexibility and update its position in the higher level assembly accordingly.